Hey y'all, welcome back. So I was watching Taylor's unboxing. I think she did a couple haul videos. I don't know if it was part one or part two, but that doesn't matter. She showed this Saviland nail kit, and so automatically the purple caught my eye, and like the frosted containers. I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get these. But for the most part, I have tried Saviland acrylic in the past, and it was actually good. Only thing it was, I think it was one of those like jelly pink colors, so it was basically like technically marbling, but it wasn't really marbling. But yeah, for the most part, this is basically like a beginner kit. Only thing that's not included in here is the monomer. Now on the container it says expert, but I will say this is for anyone. These powders are so good and easy to use. And I'm being completely honest. You get you a pink, a nude, a white, and a clear. That's basically all you need anyways. But you'll have to get your brush and monomer separately. But y'all, I will give this entire little collection, whatever the case may be, an 8 out of 10. For this to be like, Saviland is like everywhere in the nail industry, but they not mainstreamed on acrylic powders, you know what I'm saying? But for them to be coming out with more colors than what they have, because they do have other colors and stuff like that, this is pretty good. My favorite, surprisingly, was, I can't remember if it's this one right here, but I don't remember if this is the pink one or the nude one. I think this is the pink one. The pink one was my favorite. It reminded me of either one of the Bomb Nails acrylics or Dream Nail Supply. And second was that white. Y'all, this white from Saviland is one of the best whites I've tried. It wasn't sticking to the brush. You know how some can feel like it's clumpy, chalky, or whatever the case may be? It wasn't giving that. The sad part about it, y'all, is during the process of me doing a nail set, which is not in this video because I basically ruined the acrylics. I don't even know. I think I was refilling my monomer and I tipped it over and it got into all four of the acrylics, so I couldn't use it. It was hardened. It wasn't nothing I could save. So I wouldn't say I wasted my $10, but I technically wasted my $10 because I didn't get to use it or demonstrate y'all like a full set showing y'all everything. But for the most part, this is retail at $9.99 on Amazon, and I think they was offering a discount also, so I think it might be a little cheaper now. Because when I bought it, it was $9.99. I was watching Taylor, like I said earlier, do haul videos and stuff like that, and I was like, ooh, this is nice. The pink not the pink, goodness, the purple just caught my eye, and I just immediately added to cart, and it's super affordable. I am going to link it down below because you just have to try it for yourself, because not everybody likes the same thing, but I love this kit. Like I said, 8 out of 10. The swatches is in real time. But for the most part, aside from these acrylics, later on in the video, I'm going to be unboxing my nail drill and my nail lamp. That's just 2 out of the 5 items that's going to be in my members only giveaway that I'll have later on, like coming up throughout the rest of this year. What else? I'm currently still waiting on my Bomb Nails package to get here. It should be here tomorrow. I'm going to be creating a video and comparing her monomer to Inner Couture, because I've heard great things about Bomb Nail monomer, so I want to try that out and see if it's even a little older than Inner Couture, because y'all know Inner Couture is actually one of the best monomers for me. But for the most part, what else? Speaking of Taylor and all that, she was doing some bling scoops. Now, originally, I have seen her like doing it previously, but I was like, I don't need bling, I don't need it, this and that and third. But I kept watching her videos, and I was actually watching her talk, package, haul them, inspect them, and he's like, she took a lot of time to actually make sure everything was perfect. I was literally watching her. You know, when you have your not acrylics, that bling and that bend, and you scooping and stuff, of course, it's going to get scratched up. You know, the quality might not be the best, especially when you stirring around all that good stuff. I literally watched her in her video inspecting all the bling. She's literally explaining to you names of the colors, what type they are. Like, you know, they got the, I'm not a huge bling, like, what's like the best quality, whatever. I know she was talking about, I know I think, is it K9 or 2088, something like that. Whatever the numbers and stuff is, she was talking about it. You can tell she knows a lot about her bling. You know, some of the bling that she got is dang near as close as Swarovski and what's it called, Preciosa. So yeah, I was just like, ooh, let me just go ahead and just get me a couple, and why not? So when that comes, I'll unbox it and show y'all, and we'll see what that looks like. I do have a separate like bling case for like the higher quality ones, because I got like some cheap ones, you know, you get off of Shein, Temu. Now don't sleep on Shein and Temu. They do got some goods. They got some pretty high quality on there. You just got to find the right store to purchase from. But I separate my good, you know, high quality ones from like the, you know, the plastic crappy ones. I do got a couple like Swarovskis that I bought from Zule. Hopefully, she said it was Swarovski, but you never know. People could repackage stuff and say what that is and where the case may be. But that's whatever. But y'all, watch this white. Like when I say this white is really what it's supposed to be. Now I haven't tried a lot of brands white, but so far this is one of the best ones. I think the second best, because this one topped the one from Balm Nails. Balm Nails has to be second, and this one definitely is first. I don't know, Saviland, I'm gonna have to look and see if they like offer this in like 4 ounce or something, because this reminds me of like the formula to knot polish. If y'all own or have knot polish or seen knot polish acrylics be swatched, then you will know that type of consistency in the way it maneuvers. This is giving that vibes, but it's not the same. Like, this one is not better than like knot polish formula, but it's kind of similar, but it's not the same. But this is, y'all, just go get it. I'm gonna link it and just try it off yourself, because what I like or what I love won't work the same for everyone. So, you know, it's my opinion, and that's that. So here is all the colors put together. Like I said, I just wasn't able to get the full nail set in because I waste the monomer everywhere. But on to exciting thing, y'all. I was so excited to unbox this, and this is my first time opening with y'all. Like, I haven't seen it or nothing. This is my very own nail drill with my brand, my name on it, and you know, I had to save the imprint for last because why not? So I'm just gonna be unboxing like the little basic little cord and all that good stuff, and I am going to show y'all the difference between the handpiece. Like, once I pull it out, my old handpiece I got off from Amazon, it's a little thick, but this one right here is real slim. It's almost like, what's the word, sleek? Is that the right word? I don't think I'm using the correct terminology, but y'all, look at it. Automatically, oh my goodness, automatically you can tell that this one is so much slimmer than the ones that usually some brands offer. Look at the one on the left. That's my original one. That's from Amazon, and mine is on the right, y'all. And also, what's cool about my drill is it have a double lock mechanism. So you know how you have to twist it to unlock it, but to lock it, you have to do it. It's like 2 clicks. The first click, you know, you're still able to move it just the drill bit just a little bit, but that second click, if you try to pull the thing, it's not gonna come off. Now here is the charging port. It also comes with the things on the side where you can put drill bits on, y'all. And also, you don't have to use the charging port. You can also just use the regular cord that it came with. And it also comes with the little handpiece stand. Like, it's a lot of stuff that comes, you know, with this nail drill. And I'm just super excited to have it, you know, something of my own, my name. For me, I don't know, I just like seeing stuff with my name on it. Like, it's nothing bad about supporting other brands and stuff, but to see your own name on products just hit different. So what I was talking about earlier, y'all see the little holes around the charging piece? You can put your drill, like your most important drill bits there, but y'all look. I don't know who little crusty hands been on this already, but they could have cleaned it off, but y'all look. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that Creations by Bri and the little heart? Look at it. Now I wish it was like more purple, but this is good. Now they didn't have the matching like nail lamp to go with it, so I had to use something that was like, get something that was like nobody else has, but still close to what I wanted. But y'all, I'm super excited that it doesn't make no sense. Now I was struggling a little bit on putting that side piece in. You'll see it when I get to it. I probably edited it out just to save time, and I also edited my little face out because I was cheesing so hard and then my locks was all over the place. My head looked like a little mop. So I did edit it out. If you see the video look a little choppy, that's the only reason why. And I'm so slow, y'all. I was literally struggling to get this in, but I had it turned the wrong way. Now the cool thing about this is it's actually quiet. It's quieter than like the past drills I've used and experienced with. But for the most part, I love how I got the forward and reverse button. All you have to do is click it and that's it. Now don't do like me, just turn the speed up like this. You're supposed to, gradually, slowly do it. Don't just go from 35 to 20 to 0. You don't supposed to do that, okay? But for the most part, yeah, y'all, that is what my drill looks like. And it's so gorgeous. And this is what it looks like all together. Like I said, you can charge it without the charging case and just use the cord, or you can do both. It does not matter, y'all. But yeah, that's that. Now let's get into what is this called? What is it called? We finna get into goodness, the nail lamp. Like I said, y'all, I wasn't a huge fan of it, but it's grown on me. Like now that I look at it every day since I've had it, it's actually pretty light. Nobody that I've seen or any company has this color that I know of. So I was like, it's good that I got this, because the original one I got, multiple brands got that color. I didn't want to get a basic white or the black one because y'all know my brand colors are really like purple, blue, and pink a little bit, but mainly purple. But for the most part, y'all, I think I outdid myself, and I got one more surprise for y'all, but y'all just gonna have to stay tuned for that. But just to get into this lamp, y'all, we are getting close to the end of this video, and y'all just look. I should have just got the whole purple look, but I really wanted something that's similar but close to my nail drill. But for the most part, y'all, this is it. Stay tuned because I got some more exciting stuff coming. But thank y'all so much for watching and supporting. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're, want a chance to win these products, make sure you join my members page. Everything will be linked in the description box below. But until next time, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.